So now that I have airbrushed all the grooves, it's time to make him orange. And I'm just going to use a little bit of apple barrel 2047DE pumpkin orange color and get to work. So hopefully you can see here how the crack enhancement, whether with airbrushing or traditional dry brushing techniques, gives you a more creased and contrasting face. And that's what you tend to get out of this painting scheme. I'll be hitting it more, but just wanted to call to attention that's what you get when you have a good dark undercoat hitting your highlights, and you have a thin, light overcoat going above it. And there you go. We took a whole bunch of newspaper, innocuous paper fluff, some flowers, some glue, and kaboom, you can make one of these guys. So thanks very much for tuning in. I hope your pumpkin comes out beautifully. And until later, have a very happy Halloween.